I think one of the biggest lesson that I've learned from Sir Albert is that you don't need a big budget to do a remarkable campaign. You just have to have big and creative ideas to leave a remarkable memory in the eyes of your audience. I think the most memorable experience I had with Sir Albert is when we went to Porac, Pampanga for the overlanding. And he brought us halo-halo from Razon's, my favorite. And what else? I think he brought food. I forgot. But I want to thank you, Sir Albert, for the time you've spent with us and the lessons we learned from you. We will forever cherish those memories with you, and we hope to see you again. Bye!
I think the most memorable experiences that I had experienced with Sir Albert was the time when we went to Tagaytay. Last time we went also to Antipolo. So there are a lot of trips we went together. In-invite niya kami personally with all of my fellow Agora Youth Awardees and PGMA colleagues. It was super fun kasi parang it's a different side of Sir Albert that we actually saw. It's not the CMO of Sir Albert, but it's like a friend. I think the most important lesson I learned from Sir Albert was when he taught us na it doesn't need for us to be aware of like everything when we do corporate job. I mean, as a fresh grad, we're like being pressured na dapat alam na namin lahat. But like Sir Albert is really guiding us all the way through our career path. Even before that, I think I've been in primer at 6 months at that time. He constantly told us na we don't need to like be at this point. We can take it step by step, and we're very thankful because he guided us all the way to our career. Sir Albert, I wish you all the best. I know there is so much ahead of your career. I know you go places, and I wish you all the best, and know that I'm here supporting you all the way, and wishing you all the best again.
Hi, Sir Albert. So this is not goodbyes, but thank you. Thank you for the learnings. Thank you for the laughters. And thank you for being an inspiration to us. Maraming salamat po for giving us the opportunity to be part of your journey. And same sa amin, maraming salamat na naging part kami ng adventure mo with Primer. And see you around, and best wishes. Bye!
My most memorable experience and the most important lesson I've learned from Sir Albert is the OGSM. Making marketing campaigns or initiatives always have that OGSM, and I really appreciate it because as a new person in marketing, I've learned so much doing that practice. And so thank you so much, Sir Albert, for generously sharing your knowledge with us. Cheers to your next chapter.
Hi, Sir Albert. Sabi nila, first impression is sometimes are entirely wrong. And for me, para kang ROX. So ROX because at first it's intimidating, nakakatakot. But when you try to put your one foot, alam mo yun, forward. So we knew that your company brought us a lot of learnings, brought us a lot of knowledge on how we will perform and do better in our job, especially for the brand and marketing. So sabi nga namin with your company, sa una nakakatakot, no? Nakakatakot. But then, nakita namin yung other side of you wherein you're very much willing to explore, to share your knowledge. And actually, you broke the wall for us, no, to share and share our best practices para we can grow as one company, as one team, and as one group. So wherever you go, good luck, and we hope to see you around. So see you sa mga ROX events in the future. Thank you, Sir Albert.
Hello, Albert. Coach Manny here. Alam mo, ikaw ang isa sa tao dito sa Primer who always kept me grounded. Bakit? I remember kasi nang sinabi nila sasama ka sa Peak Pursuit, sabi ko, sasama si Albert. Pero nang kasama ko ito the whole time sa mga bundok, never ka napikon, never uminitulo, never ka nagalit, hindi ka nag-iinarte during the climb, which I really appreciate. Tapos yung mga tinuro mo sa akin is you gave me tips at saka yung mga mga payo mo paano maging isang magandang outfitter. So maraming salamat. So bale, I guess yung next edition ng Peak Pursuits ay magiging sa Tawi-Tawi. See you!
So it goes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then
Across.
yeah, 4, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then it will go up fast. That. And then after that is 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is the most important thing I've learned from Sir Albert? It's fewer, bigger, better. Because that's how you make remarkable campaigns. What's my most memorable experience? Besides him making me do TikTok for Bratpack, it's also him doing TikToks for Bratpack. So I hope we can do that again, sir. But yeah, cheers to better days ahead.
Hello, Sir Albert. So, most memorable moment kay Sir Albert. Every day, I think, is a memorable moment with Sir Albert because every day we learn new things. And at the same time, si Sir Albert, he tries to mingle out with every single person here sa workplace. So, as you can see, minsan parang pag lunchtime, bigla siyang uupo or kakamustahin niya yung mga tao. And ayun, so Sir Albert, good luck on your new endeavor and cheers to better days ahead.
I think the most important lesson that we learned from Sir Albert was to share your knowledge. He really took good care of the team, lalo ng the Travel Club. He was really generous with us and marami kami mga trainings and seminars, and he really did inspire us sa career namin and at the same time sa personal life.
For me, isa lang talaga yung best experience ko kay Sir Albert, yung nag-training kami for leadership. So marami kong natutunan dun sa mga leadership seminars na ginawa. So yung best experience ko with Sir Albert.
How about experience? Ano yung mga pinaka-memorable ng experience with Sir Albert?
For me, one of my most memorable experience with Sir Albert is when he takes the time to sit with us during lunch break. Kasi for me, it's very important na yung leaders really takes the time and effort to really ask around sa mga tao. Even though we're not really close from the start, kasi syempre bago lang ako. I just started working with Primer 8 months ago. So he really took the time to really ask where from my previous job, and also parang what are my goals. So parang from my end, parang it's really having the leadership, and at the same time he's not intimidating to us to listen, and also at the same time he also coaches us in terms of like not just the marketing stuff, but also he takes the time to really ask questions about personal things then, about growth, and also the things that we do outside work.
Cheers to better days ahead!
Siguro ako, yung important lesson na natutunan ko from him is always find time to learn. Kasi siya yung tipo na talagang nag-aaral up to these days. Nag-aaral pa siya, nag-enroll siya ng mga classes, ng courses, and anything na talagang magpapadagdag sa skills na. So, parang ano siya, awakening for me. Kasi parang yun din, nakalimutan ko na yung mga ganong bagay na dapat pala will keep on learning new things, lalo na't mabilis yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa marketing. So, yun yung pinaka-importante nakuha ko from it.
Yeah, I second the motion. And then, to be honest, pag maging IL si Sir Albert's good, at the same time pressure. Pero yung good pressure siya. Kasi kapag under ka ni Sir Albert, you'll always remind you to strive for your best and always go beyond the best. Hindi pwede yung pwede na. every time na may ginagawa ka, you should always put your heart in it. You should always go beyond the expectations. And aside from that, siguro another lesson na forever ko madadala under the leadership of Sir Alvin is that to be organized, to how you properly manage your time, that lahat ng ginagawa mo dapat nakakalendar yan para at least may mababalikan ka kung ano yung pinagagawa mo this mga nakaraang araw. And one last thing is, whenever you had a presentation, do not come empty-handed. Kasi, as what we always say, nandyan na yung internet, nandyan yung Google. If hindi mo alam, then search ka, then learn on your own. Hindi lahat in-school. Ayan.
Parang be always resourceful.
Yes.
Yan. Siguro yung memorable, yung mahilig kasi siya pag-bonding.
Yes.
And generous siya talaga. Naturally generous siya. Mahilig siya manlibre, kape, lunch, dinner. Tapos yung mga recent alis na naman, bowling, tapos yung golf. So yun, sabi ko napaka naman itong tao to. Mapagbigay, mahilig mag-share ng kanyang blessings. Tapos yun nga, parang he always make time na get to know you in another level. Hindi lang as a employee, but also as a friend. Okay? Parang ganong type siya. So, good thing about him.
I agree with Vida. Kasi si Sir Albert, like, nandyan siya, pero gusto niya siya din ng cool boss. Pero gusto niya, huwag kayo sa akin masyado mag-pressure, pero gano'n. Siguro yung pinaka-memorable talaga sa akin yung Christmas party namin. Na kami 5. Yeah, so we booked an Airbnb, nag-movies kami, nag-play, so we get to know each other. Nag-bar kami that time. So diba, ang gusto kasi ni Sir, parang we should always be young at heart. Huwag tayong magpapastress.
Sa trabaho.
Cheers to better days ahead.
Hello, so ang pinaka-lesson ata na nabigay sa akin ni Sir Albert, there are so much to mention, pero siguro one is very much evident na pinapakita niya din for us, wherein sinishare niya din sa buong marketing team, brand and marketing team, is being passionate of what he really does. And nakakahawa siya for us, especially for marketing, because always we need to think outside of the box, wherein we don't only settle for less, but we really settle for big and for success. And most memorable things then with him, marami. I think it's more of, since kasi I've met him since college days when I was still in Philippine Junior Marketing Association. Sir Albert was introduced there. So starting from that time, I've already looked up to him. And I'm very just grateful na I also had the chance that he mentored us, not only me, but all brand and marketing here in PH Retail for sure. And yun, sobrang dami, both inside and outside work. Tagaytay trips, lunch out, date, late nights namin ng team at saka ng grupo. So, I think yun yung mamimiss ko. But I am still rooting for your future endeavors, sir. So, God bless, and for sure we will see you soon.
Hi, Sir Albert from the Travel Club family.
Cheers to